Welcome once again to Canva Design with Spingy Designs. Now we've worked on template. Now the next thing for us is to know how we can design from scratch, that everything will be purely our own creativity, how we can design from scratch. And if you want to design from scratch on Canva here, the first thing you do is you click on see all. Once you see the see all link, just click on it, see all, and once you are there, you see blank, so you click on blank. Automatically it will take you to the work area itself. Now if I'm to design from scratch, the first thing I have to do is to select the layout that I want to work on. So, and the layout depend on where you want to post it. So in the layout, you have several layout designs. We have the Facebook layout, you have the Facebook post layout, we have the Instagram story layout, several layouts. And for you to get to the layout, just click on this icon here, just click on it. At the top is like small boxes that are offsetting each other. So now we have the Instagram. Then to pick the layout, you click on the option on the top right hand side, this one here, you click on it. Then you have several layouts that you want to do. Instagram post, you have storyboard, so just pick the one that goes with what you want to do. Then you can also customize by clicking on this, which is below the layout frame. Just click on it where you have the 1080 by 1000. Just click on it and customize what you want to do. Maybe you have a customized size that you are designing for. Now when you are through with the layout that you want to do, then you go back. So let me just pick one. Okay, I can't use this size because I didn't pay. But Instagram post, Instagram story, they use similar layout, which is Instagram post layout. So and one of the best way to choose a layout is picking a template that looks like the layout you want to use, a free template, so it will make it easier for you to use. Now the next thing is putting something. Now for example, let's say I want to design a small Facebook post or something about a makeup advert, short makeup advert. So very simple one. So where we last time from, I have to import a picture. What kind of picture? A picture with a kind of design, like a frame. So once I click on the plus sign at the bottom to bring in elements, so I'll look for illustration. Under illustration, we have shapes. If I want to bring in several shapes, we have illustrations, we have frame. So I think I love this, so I pick the frame. Now on picking the frame, I can edit it. I want to put the picture of a face of a lady inside, because I'm doing an advert for a makeup or modeling stuff, so I have to put the face of someone. So what you do is you select it. When you select it, you have options at the bottom where it shows you if you want to give it color. Now I want it to offset, so I want to give it a good color. Now after giving it a good color, the next thing I will do is to duplicate. At the top here, you have the copy and paste. So just click on it, it will automatically duplicate, and the next thing is to put picture inside of it. So you click on image, click on image. There are several images here, but those ones are online images. So I already have the image I want to put, so I go to gallery. In gallery, I scroll to the image I want to use. So I click on the image I want to use and it shows for me. Then I need to resize this and ensure that it's at the center. Ensure that it's at the center. Ensure that it's at the center. Now, to make it come out, I want it to have something like a shadow. So what I would do is to also duplicate this again and give it a color that looks like shadow. That's where creativity comes in. Now the next thing I will do is ensure that I increase it to cover it. Then the next thing I will do is to send it to back. To send to back, like I said in the previous video, you click on the 3 dots that's inside the circle. There is a small circle with 3 dots. Just click on it and you have send to back. Then you press it again to give it something like a shadow. Now I can look for a color that will make it let's say darker color. I think this is nice. Now after doing that, the next thing is to type in text, to tell people what I'm doing. So the next thing is to type in text to tell people what I'm doing. So I'll come here also and import the text element. So I'll click on that text of your own and type inside of it. Just click inside and type make up, then click this. Then there are options. You want to make it bold, if you want to change the styling, maybe uppercase. Then I can pick a font. So now I can duplicate it, then edit it and put free. Or just put makeup here without free. Then duplicate. Now I can increase the size of this. Then reduce this. Now what I'm going to do now is to make the ear, because I want to direct people to myself. So I can go back and bring in shape, that will cover this. Give it color. Then I can send it to back. send it to back. So you can just manipulate. You can just manipulate to give you what you want to give you something that you want to use it for. So we have makeup here. Now the next thing to do is give it a very nice background. So to change the background, just click on the background, and you'll see the same option, images and everything. So you can pick an image that talks about makeup. Then so this is the image that talks about makeup. Then now the image might be too bright for me, so I might want to reduce the transparency, make it more transparent. So what I'll do is, I'm clicking on it, I'll click on the background, then click on the same option, click on the transparent option by the side, then make it transparent. So once you are through, then the next thing for you is to save. So you can easily download it directly, download, by clicking here and to download directly, or you click on share, to give you options of what you want to save it as, like save as, then you download also. So that's that about creating a design from scratch. Thank you very much.